In the heart of a gentle, rolling meadow, there stood a grand old oak tree named Oliver. Oliver was not an ordinary tree, he was a storyteller, with branches that sang in the wind and roots that whispered secrets of the earth. Around Oliver lived a community of animals. Each day, the little forest creatures would gather around his sturdy trunk to hear tales as old as the hills. Oliver's stories carried the warmth of the sun and the calm of the evening breeze, perfect for drifting off into dreams. One summer evening, as the stars began to twinkle in a deep blue sky, little Benny the bunny hopped over. "Oliver," he said softly, "could you tell us about the time you helped the forest? We've heard of how you managed to help everyone." Oliver chuckled, his leaves gently rustling in delight. "Ah, yes," he began, "the time when a mighty storm threatened our home." The animals gathered closer, their eyes wide with anticipation. The sky had turned gray and angry, and raindrops big as acorns pelted the ground, recounted Oliver. Every creature hurried to find shelter from the fierce winds. Some huddled under bushes, others scurried into their burrows, but not all could find a safe haven. Owen the owl, perched on one of Oliver's highest branches, nodded as he remembered that stormy night. The smallest squirrel, Timmy, was alone and too far from his nest, whispered Oliver, and right when the gale grew wild, Timmy took refuge among my roots, trembling with fear. The listeners gasped in empathy for little Timmy. Then, just as it seemed the storm would never end, I felt a surge of strength, continued Oliver. I stretched my branches wider and dug my roots deeper into the earth. I became a shelter for all who needed it. It was true. Many animals nestled close, warmed by Oliver's embrace. The oak tree not only sheltered them but also shared stories to calm their troubled hearts. "In that act of togetherness," said Oliver with a gentle sway, "we found comfort in helping one another. Every creature, great and small, played a part in keeping hope alive until the sun blessed us with its morning light."